Sri Sri Abhinananda Maharaj says that Gopal Dada was making some saffron clothes or gerua at Kashipur Uddanbati and to distribute the same to the monks who had come for their preaching at Jagannath Ghat. And coming to learn of that, Sri Thakur said, "It would be 1,000 times more pious act to give these saffron colored clothes to these children of mine than to give them to the monks in Jagannath Ghat, where you will find sannyasis so chaste as they. Each of them is equal to 1,000. There are 1,000 sannyasis in each of them. You understand? And so, coming to learn of that, Gopal Dada distributed the same saffrons to Ronen, Rakhal, Niranjan, Baburam, Shoshi, Sharot, Kali, Jogin, Latu, Tarok, Budo Gopal Dada, Senior, and Sri Thakur then asked the remaining cloth to be kept for Girish Ghosh, who was the Bhairav of Sri Thakur.